Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your Netflix profile pictures. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your Netflix profile picture, you just simply have to open this Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, this homepage will appear. Now, in order to change the profile picture, you just simply have to tap into this pencil icon at the top right corner, and from there just simply select the profile in which you want to change the profile picture. After selecting the profile, then click to this pencil icon before the profile picture again, and then you can choose the profile icons from here. You can choose all of the available profile picture from your favorite movies and series. Just simply select the profile picture that you want, and after that your profile picture will be changed successfully. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your Netflix profile picture using your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.